when it comes to choosing the right social media platform to promote your business or your brand, it is important to consider your target audience and your goals. Now, we might be tempted to choose the most popular platform of the day. And, we have platforms like whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and so. But this may not necessarily be the best fit for your business. Therefore, it is important to do some research and some experimentation to find the platforms that works best for you. For example, let's say your target audience is primarily B2B, right? Business to business, and you are looking to connect with other professionals. Then LinkedIn might be the best platform for you. On the other hand, if you're a fashion brand, then Instagram, fashion or beauty brand, then Instagram might be the platform that allows you to showcase your products in an engaging way. Another important thing to consider is the type of content and the features of each platform. For instance, Instagram is great for visual brands. So Twitter is great for like real-time updates and live interaction. TikTok is the new kid on the block, but TikTok is great for, if your target audience is young, like from that young generation, and your business is entertaining or even personal development, that can be a great opportunity. Now, the key thing to note here, however, is you don't have to be on all social media platforms. You do not have to be on all social media platforms. You need to focus on the platform that your target audience, the platforms that they're on. Look at your business, look at your industry, and you choose accordingly. You only need to be on about, let's say, 2-3 main platforms without having to stretch yourself too thin, trying to be on every single platform. So when it comes to answering the question, which platform should your small business be on? The answer really and truly is it depends. And again, like I stated, it depends on your audience, your customers, and where they are. Where they are, that is where you need to be. You do not need to be on all the platforms that exist.